Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to pair Beats Solo Pro and how to put Beats Solo Pro in pairing mode. Put Beats Solo Pro in pairing mode. Press and hold the mode button on your left ear cup for 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This indicates that the headphones are in pairing mode. How to pair Beats Solo Pro. Connect with an iPhone or iPad. Enable Bluetooth on your device. Hold your Beats Solo Pro near your unlock iPhone. Your iPhone should prompt you to connect. If not, press and hold the mode button on the left ear cup for 5 seconds. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the pairing process. Connect with an Android phone or tablet. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. Locate and enable Bluetooth. Look for Beats Solo Pro in the list of available devices and tap to pair. The Mac or MacBook. Click on the Apple menu, go to the System Preference. Then select Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth. Your Beats Solo Pro should appear under the Nearby Devices section. Click on the Connect to establish the connection. Connect with the Windows PC. Open the Bluetooth setting on your PC. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth and choose your Beats Solo Pro from the list of available device to pair.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.